lightning.
What?
The lightning. I saw where it came from. Monster in the past could have cursed my soul. Our magic is gone.
A monster? What kind of monster? A sky monster. I will get you, sky monster. I will get you.
What are you in?
A monster took our powers away.
That monster's easy to deal with. It's humans that are the real problem.
If monsters are the real problem, then what should we do?
We just have to figure out his weaknesses.
I'll sacrifice myself. Not like zombies. Sure is fun. I'd like it too. What's this? Another box of pizza. We'll put it under Kaylen's bed tonight. What's that smell?
Help me!
Help me! Help me! Huh? You're talking?
I want like a good pizza, but now old and rotten.
Help! Come quick! Help! Help is here. What's the problem? I want a whole pizza. So what can we do? There's a web for me, but never mind. Meow. Muffinteer. What about Muffinteer? Just make a new pizza. Meow. But no chicken this time. No cows either. No. Maybe we can add the pizza with rainbows and butterflies. No. Vegetables. No. Never. Yep. Meat is the best pizza. No chicken.
Quick, just make a pizza that will satisfy his stomach.
Pizza is delicious. Here's the giant. The sky monster can eat a tiny little bit. Pizza, where's the pizza? Where's our pizza? The pizza.
Hey, bring me a slice. Hey, look, the storm has passed.
My magic wand is glowing again. And showing.
Well done.
Hello parents, thank you for watching our performance today. The performance was made by the kids. They chose their own characters, their own storyline, their own twists and problems and what to say. Some students, it's hard for them to remember their lines, and we really want them just acting, using their bodies, and being expressive. So don't worry if they didn't really say much, or if you feel like they forgot something. It's all right. I'm really proud of all the kids' work today and throughout the whole week, and I'm so proud of how everyone collaborated together and did a nice job working as a team. Thank you for watching. I'm so proud of all your hard work today.